In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix "we couldn't generate a reply" in Character.ai. This error usually pops up when your browser is holding on to old cookies or cached files that conflict with the site. We're going to clear that stored data for Character.ai, then do a deeper clean if needed, and finish with a quick restart to make sure everything refreshes properly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Character.ai and press Enter. From the results, click the official Character.ai website to open it. Once the page loads, look at the address bar. You should see a small icon next to the URL that looks like sliders or a tuning control. Click that icon to open the site controls, then choose Site Settings. This opens a page with permissions and storage for that specific site. Find the option labeled Delete Data or Clear Data for this site. Click it, and when the confirmation prompt appears, click Delete to confirm. This removes cookies, cached files, and local storage for Character.ai only. Go back to the Character.ai tab, refresh the page, and try sending a message again. In many cases, that alone clears the "we couldn't generate a reply" error. If the issue persists, let's do a deeper clean. Open your browser's main settings, then go to the Privacy or Security section. Look for the option to delete data. Choose to clear cookies and cached files, and set the time range to all time for a thorough reset. If your browser offers a way to search site data, you can target just Character.ai to avoid signing out of other sites. When you're ready, click Delete to confirm. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so you might need to log back into Character.ai afterward. Return to Character.ai, reload the page, and test a reply once more. As a final step, restart your computer. This refreshes background processes, network connections, and any lingering caches that can interfere with web apps. After the restart, open your browser, go back to Character.ai, and try again. That's it. By clearing site data, performing a deeper clean in settings, and restarting your computer, you'll resolve most cases of "we couldn't generate a reply." If you still see the error after all this, it may be a temporary server-side issue, so give it a little time and try again later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to chatting smoothly.